Pick a block, any block across Green Bay, and it's a bit scary out there. Not just because of the Halloween decorations, but because it seems like winter
I'm not looking forward to it.
has pulled a fast one on us in the middle of fall.
Well, we're trying to do some yard work today, so we did rake the leaves into a pile of snow and leaves.
Throughout town, the piles are building up and city crews are working extra hours to get them taken care of. But just look at the trees. Are they ready?
Not even close. Not even close.
Because of the crossover in seasons, one of which came a bit early, Public Works crews are focusing most of their effort right now on leaf pickup. That is, until we get some consistent snowy weather.
Once we make the conversion to winter operations, it's kind of hard to convert back because we use a lot of the same equipment for leaf collection that we use for snow plowing, especially the trucks.
Right now, the city's plan is to continue focusing on these slowly growing piles until about Thanksgiving. But if they're forced to take care of snow instead, you might just have a new curbside neighbor for the next 6 months.
It's a wet, squishy, partially decomposing pile of leaf matter.
It goes in the sewer, it goes on the sidewalks, it's all mush, and then it'll kill your grass.
But like the saying goes, you can't fight the weather. And while many of us are enjoying the extra colors, it still feels like time is getting away from us.
I thought we had at least another week before snow.